Recall the standard enthalpy of reaction formula. The standard enthalpy of a reaction, delta H degrees, can be calculated from the standard enthalpies of formation, delta H degrees F, of the reactants and products using Hess's law. Delta H degrees Rxn equals sum N delta H degrees F, products, sum M delta H degrees F, reactants. Identify the standard enthalpies of formation for elements. By definition, the standard enthalpy of formation of pure elements in their standard states is 0. Therefore, delta H degrees F, O2, equals 0 kilojoules per mole delta H degrees F, N2, equals 0 kilojoules per mole. Set up the summation with stoichiometric coefficients. Plug the coefficients from the balanced chemical equation. For NH3 plus 3O2 gives 2N2 plus 6H2O. Into the Hess's law expression, delta H degrees Rxn equals 2 times delta H degrees F, N2, plus 6 times delta H degrees F, H2O, 4 times delta H degrees F, NH3, plus 3 times delta H degrees F, O2. Substitute the given values into the equation. Delta H degrees Rxn equals 2, 0, plus 6, minus 242. 4 minus 46, plus 3, 0. Simplify the mathematical terms. Products, 6 times 242 equals minus 1,452 kilojoules per mole reactants. For times, minus 46 equals minus 184 kilojoules per mole. Subtract the reactant total from the product total. Delta H degrees Rxn equals minus 1,452, minus 184, equals minus 1,452 plus 184 equals math. 1268 kilojoules per mole of reaction rounding to 3 significant figures gives minus 1,270 kilojoules per mole of reaction, which matches option D. The correct answer is option D, minus 1,270 kilojoules per mole of reaction.